Mga kapuso, dungan tang ilailahon og sayron ang mga achievements sa usa ka Cagayanon youth leader ug karon faculty member sa usa ka universidad dinhi sa syudad, si Marvin Pamisa. Sir Marvin, mayong buntag ug dayunta sa At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Mayong buntag sad sayno ug mayong buntag sa atong tanan nga tigpaminaw ning atong programa.
Sir, at what stage sa imong life nga nagsugod ka nga ma-involve sa different youth organizations?
Ako say na-involved ko sa different youth organizations sugod ni atong college. During my college years, it's really one of the best times of my life. Sa mga nga panahon nga nidiskubrihan ako ang mga butang na akong gusto pagabuhaton. So I started sa school publication sa akong university, and then eventually nag-student council, and then finally I found what I really love. I found my advocacy, which is social media for peace building here in Mindanao.
Sir, kamusta po ang dagan sa imong advocacy karon, sir?
Very good. It's running very well. In fact, I'm still running the advocacy that I'm part of. We've been training young people across Mindanao on social media advocacy. So we've trained young people as far as from Zamboanga to General Santos on social media for peace. And then we have upcoming projects this coming year wherein we'll train more people on social media. So it's really exciting, no? And then, happy to see young people with vibrant energy, with passion for Mindanao and use social media for social good.
Sir, isip usa ka scholar sa 5th Asia Pacific Youth Exchange Delegates. Usa sa imong na-pitch mao ang I Am Mindanao. Unsay gina-envision ani nga campaign?
Yes, I Am Mindanao is a social media and social mobilization campaign wherein among gina-promote ang kalinaw, of course, peace in Mindanao. And how do we do that? We educate young people about peace building, unsaon nila sa pagkabot sa kalinaw, sa ilang tagsa-tagsa nga pamilya o sa kanilang sa ilang mga community. Aside from that, we also launch activities wherein everyone could really partake, especially katong in the old normal, no? So, for example, we've tapped with young people in high school and colleges para makapag-launch sila sa ilahang peace activity in campus.
Sir, usasab ka training specialist sa Mindanao, social media training for the youth and community leaders in Mindanao. Unsay naaani nga programa, sir?
Usa siya ka project wherein we train young people and community leaders from Zambasulta area, Pagadian, Cagayan, Iligan, Cotabato and General or Soc-Sargen area about social media advocacy. And then teach them to use social media wisely and positively kay we want them to promote positive stories about Mindanao on social media. Why do we promote positive stories through social media? Ay nagatuo kami nga one of the important elements or aspects in peace building is social cohesion, and social cohesion can somehow be achieved if we see positive stories about different communities in Mindanao, and sa pamaagi po ni ana mawala ang mga misconceptions.
Sir, nano po ba tayo mga kining witnesses or testimonies gikan sa tuang mga target audience nga nakita nila nga nausab ilang perspective sa tuang isla sa Mindanao?
Yes, I know. In fact, we've trained around 483 young people and community leaders in Mindanao in 6 chapters. And out of the 483 na mga na-train na mo, they were able to come up 47 social media campaigns about peace in Mindanao.
Karon sa panahon sa teknolohiya, paunsa ka mahimong produktibo ang mga kabataan labi na sa social media?
Daghang pamaagi, for example, for those who may be interested in their skill, they want to improve it, they can improve it. For those, they can actually launch a business on social media. But more than anything else, one way good para magamit nato ang social media sa insakto nga pamaagi is we promote the right information. Dili mag-share og impormasyon nga fake or information nga dili verified.
Sir, sa mga ginapahigayon ninyo nga campaigns and programs, unsa ang imong buot ma-achieve ani, sir?
Okay, with all the activities na among gina-launch or ginapahigayon, no, we only want one thing, and that is for a peaceful Mindanao. So that's our long-term vision. And kami nagatuon nga in order for us to eventually achieve that, we take simple steps one at a time. So that's why We've conducted trainings, we've conducted interfaith dialogues, we've conducted workshops, and we've conducted activities that actually strengthen the individuality or identity of our participants as Mindanaoans. Because, you know what, Sai, with all the activities na among gina-conduct, we always start with the approach of understanding who you are. And as we realize and understand kung kinsa kita, ma-realize na kita, bisag unsa man kalahila atong differences, we're all Mindanaoans, and that alone is what unites us. Kay kami nagatuo mi nga there are more things that are similar in us than there are different in us. So we focus on the similarities rather than the differences. So start with sense of identity as Mindanaoans, sense of belongingness, to look for people who have the same vision as us, and most importantly, the sense of purpose and what will you do to give back to home, and home is Mindanao.
Daghang salamat Sir Marvin, ug unta Sir, daghan pang sama nimo nga mga kabataang makamugna og mahinungdanong kontribusyon sa matag komunidad. Once again, thank you, sir.
Daghang salamat sad Sai, no, for this opportunity to be heard.